beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today is my 7-year-old's, well, he's 8 technically today, my 8-year-old's birthday, and we are gonna go to a skating rink. So I just want to do a quick sort of natural kind of look, not too much on the eyes, not too much on the lips. It's kind of a natural dewy look. So if you're interested in seeing the look that I'm going to do, just like a quick everyday look, then gotta grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know, we still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. So I already did my brows, I already have my eyes primed. I'm going to be using the Through My Eyes palette, the I Love Sarai and ColourPop collaboration, because that's what I had close to me. And we're going to create a relatively natural look. So, going to go into the color Canela. Every time I do a natural look, I feel like I'm always using like browns. This one is like a sandy brown, like a reddish brown. It has like little flecks in it, like little glitters. It's not like a shimmer, but it just has like a glimmer of like I'm excited to go and skate. I haven't gone skating in ages, and it's been a minute. I've never really skated in a skating, like roller skating rink. I've only skated in ice skating rinks because I'm from up north and they didn't really have roller skating rinks. Up north they had just ice skating rinks, so I used to skate all the time at Central Park, or there was a skating rink where I used to, not right where I used to live, but close to where I lived, in Brooklyn. I'm going with a more precise brush. I'm going to the color Nostalgia, which is like a pinky, mauvey pink kind of color, and I'm just gonna take that like on top. Concealer, we're gonna cut this crease. Now we're gonna go in with the color Wild Soul, which is like a mustardy yellow. Okay. So now I'm gonna do a wing liner off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, did a wing liner, threw on some lashes. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into the face before I finish my eyes off. I'm using the Maybelline Smooth and Dewy foundation. And this is in the color 225 Medium Buff. I need to finish it off because I'm almost done with this. And I want a more natural look, so we're gonna go for Dewy. I know it's probably wrong because I'm gonna go skate, but whatever. For concealer, we're using the Milani concealer. I have to hurry up before my husband starts to rush me, and I hate when he does that. So we're just gonna take some of my Dermablend powder, which is like my favorite powder, and we are going to just set very lightly under the eyes. Make sure not to set any creases. Just going to swivel my little brush and whatever's left in here. Just kind of lightly, especially under here. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with that flat brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that Wild Soul color. I'm gonna take that right in here. And same thing here. I don't want to pull my eyes down. And pull that in. Right there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a small little detailing brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Canela and Nostalgia mixed, and just take it as close as I could. And then I'm going to take the color Sandalwood, which is like a really pale color, and I'm just going to run that right under, just to kind of mesh it together. I'll clean up that harsh line. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Lucido, and it's like a really pretty gold color on a small little brush, and I'm going to use that for my brow bone highlight, and then inner corner highlight as well. Now we're going to go into bronzer. I'm using the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer. This is in the color Forever Sunkissed. Primer Infused Blush. This is in Always Rosy. Now I'm going to go in with highlight. I'm going to use the Blush Gems highlight from e.l.f. This is their baked highlight. I know, it's like a whole e.l.f. theme, but it's not. Let me spray my face in my 4th Grade Beauty Facial Refreshing Spray. What I'm going to do is, because it's a baked highlight, I'm taking my Morphe brush and I'm actually going to just kind of scratch off like that top surface. I know it was crazy, it looks crazy, but I got this. Then I'm going to take some of that. That's that. We're going to go in with our lip color. I'm going to be using the NARS Rink again satin lip pencil. And this is the final look. So I decided to change up the lip. I didn't use just the NARS one. I actually went in with the e.l.f. Matte Liquid Lip in Wine Tour, and then I used this in the center, which was the NARS. And then for lip liner, I used the Essence Honeyberry Lip Liner. And then on top for this glossy little finish, I used the Maybelline and Summer McKeen collaboration. This is the color Heat Wave. And yeah, threw my earrings on, and I am ready to go. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit, maybe. I don't know how it's gonna work, but yes. I kind of just threw this together. I don't know how I feel yet about the eyes. It's all matte look, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.